Today, we are going on an amazing learning adventure inside the human body. Let's shrink down super small and explore how our body works from the inside. Wow! Let's explore how the human body works from inside this amazing science ship. Now let's explore nerves. They connect your brain to your whole body. Nerves send messages as fast as lightning. They help you feel things and move lightning fast. Now let's explore muscles. Your body has hundreds of muscles. They work like elastic bands to help you move. They help you run, jump, and even smile. Now let's explore skin. Your skin is the largest organ you have. It is like a suit of armor that keeps out germs. It helps you feel soft feathers and bumpy rocks. Now let's explore ears. Your ear catches sound waves from the air. Tiny bones inside pass vibrations along. That is how you hear music and voices. Great job exploring the human body! There's so much more to learn. See you next time with another amazing adventure!